Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rewrite the Stars on piano easily. We will begin by identifying the 4 core chords that form the foundation of the entire song. These are C major, G major, A minor, and F major. For your left hand, you will use a straightforward, consistent pattern to accompany the melody. Practice these chords slowly, ensuring each note rings out clearly and evenly. Next, let's focus on the right-hand melody for the verse. You'll want to find the main notes that carry the tune. Start by using your first finger on middle C, then move up the scale. Experiment with finger numbers 1 through 5 to find the most comfortable and efficient way to play each phrase. Remember to practice at a very slow tempo, ensuring every note is correct before increasing speed. Now it's time to bring both hands together. This step requires patience, so start extremely slowly. Play one chord with your left hand and the corresponding melody notes with your right. A metronome will be your best friend here, helping you maintain a steady 3/4 time signature. Concentrate on making the transitions between chords and melody as smooth as possible, aiming for a fluid sound. To truly master Rewrite the Stars, break the song into smaller, more manageable sections. Practice each part until it feels natural before connecting them. Listening to the original song frequently will help you internalize the timing, dynamics, and overall feel. As you become more comfortable, gradually increase your practice speed. Remember, consistent, focused practice for 15 to 20 minutes daily yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.